Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well and safe. I am your ICT teacher Miss Ariba from the Smart School Gulistani Johor and Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses. In our last video we have covered our explanation of chapter number 1 Computer Fundamentals and Devices. Now we are going to start our book exercises. Our book exercises are starting from page number 14. First of all, we have exercise number A, that is choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Number A, a dash is used to play games on the computer. Can you tell me what we use to play games on the computer? Is it printer, scanner or joystick? So we have discussed in our explanation that we use joystick to play games on the computer. Very good. Now number 2, a dash gives the results on paper. Options are scanner, printer or monitor. As we have discussed that scanner is an input device, so scanner cannot get the result on paper. Now number B, we have option printer. Yes, the correct answer is printer. Monitor and printer are output devices, but monitor gives us result on screen, not on the paper. Okay, number 3, dash is a pointing device. Options are scanner, monitor or mouse. As we all know, mouse is our pointing device. We use mouse to move the cursor on the screen. Number 4, a dash is a permanent memory. Options are RAM, ROM or MU. Full form of RAM is random access memory. Number B, read only memory or memory unit. In our explanation, we have discussed that ROM is a permanent memory. Number 5, a dash is used to record your voice. Options are speaker, microphone or printer. Can you tell me what we use to record our voice? Is it a speaker? No. Is it microphone? Yes, we use microphone to record our voice. Now moving to exercise number B, that is fill in the blanks. Number 1, printouts are also called, क्या कहते हैं हम printout को? Hard copy, soft copy. Hard copy, हमने पढ़ा था कि soft copy is that which we cannot touch, और printouts जो हमारे पेपर पे होते हैं we can touch it. So the answer is hard copies. Okay, moving to number 2, dash is the longest key on the keyboard. That is space bar, longest key on the keyboard, as you can see it. Now number 3, dash is fixed inside the CPU. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Dash is a set of instruction that runs on the computer. क्या रन हो रहा होता है? Which is the set of instruction, that is software. Dash controls all the functions of a computer system. Which controls all the functions of a computer system? That is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Number 6, dash looks like a TV screen. Which component of the computer looks like a TV screen? That is monitor, as you can see there on page number 6. Now we have exercise number C, that is tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. F1, F2 till F12 are number keys. Are these number keys? No, Answer is cross. These are function keys as I have written above. Number 2, a mouse looks like a TV screen. No, अभी हमने fill in the blanks में किया था. Which looks like a TV screen, that is monitor. So number 2 is also incorrect. Computer memory consists of 3 parts. No, computer memory consists of 2 parts. That is ROM and RAM. Random access memory, read-only memory. So number 3 is also incorrect. Now moving to page number 15, on which our exercise C is continued. Number 4, enter key is the longest key on the keyboard. No, we have discussed it in our cleaning line that space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. So number 4 is also incorrect. Number 5, delete key is used to raise the character to the right of the cursor. Yes, delete key is used to raise the character to the right of the cursor, and backspace key is used to raise the character to the left of the cursor. So this is correct. Number 6, MS Paint and MS Words are software program. Yes, these are not hardware program. We cannot touch these. These are software programs. Shift key is used in combination with other keys. Yes, we use shift key in combination with other keys. That is also correct. Now, exercise number D, we will complete it in our copy in the next video. Now we have exercise number E, label the parts of the computer and color the picture given. As you can see, this is the monitor. It looks like a TV screen. This is the CPU, a brain of a computer. Keyboard is an input device. We can type from the keyboard. Mouse is a pointing device. This is microphone. This is printer. This is a scanner. Speakers, joystick and CD, that is compact disc. Now moving to page number 16, in which we have exercise number F, match the columns. In column B we have the names of the devices, and in column B we have the pictures of devices. You have to match the name with the appropriate picture. Number 1, speakers. Is this a speaker? Is this a speaker? Is this a speaker, or is this a speaker? No, this one is the speaker, so we have to match it with the speaker. Okay, like this. We have monitor, we have printer, we have pen drive, and we have hard disk. I hope you all get it and you all have completed till exercise number F. Allah Hafiz. We will meet in our next video. Thank you so much.